Hello, students. Good evening. Welcome to one more session of your WOC. This is your Vani ma'am back again with one more important series that is nothing but 30 most expected questions from your P block element. Right, students? So, today, what is the speciality? Basically, as you all know, in the earlier video, I have sent you complete name reactions. Today, we'll be doing the complete 30 questions of P block chapter, that too along with the board answers. So if you just take the question, answer also I have given you, you can just directly note it in your notebook and present it in the exam. Let us start off, students. As you all know, World of Chemistry is that channel which has a passion to serve free education. So please, I expect all the students to stay with me, connected with me, and remember to share it as much as you can, students, because knowledge can be shared. Nothing to spend on that, isn't it? So remember, start sharing the knowledge to more and more friends. Let us start off. So basically, students,
Unacademy, the biggest online platform, learning platform in India. Let's crack it. I'm Vani Potepalli, the verified educator for grade 12 students, CBSE, ICSE, as well as state board students are with me. Unacademy introduces Ask Unlimited Doubts for free students. Remember, will you give up or will you ace it? That is what is the difference. Giving up should never happen. You need to fight for it. For that, what should you do? You need to just ask us 7 doubts. Right, students? Let's see how the feature works. Unacademy introduces one more important offer for you all students. That's nothing but ask 10 doubts now and you'll be getting free Unacademy subscription. This date is particularly valid only till March 31st. You will be getting free Unacademy subscription for 15 days, students. Remember the date, March 31st is the last date. Use my referral code Vani Live to unlock. Link is given in the description. Please go through the link, students. Here, asking 7 doubts for free is the main feature where you will be getting free Creative Corner subscription. What is that? What do you have in that? You can learn robotics in that, magical skills in that, Vedic maths in that, musical skills, public speaking skills, and 100 plus skills are there in Creative Corner, students. So what are you waiting for? It's only asking 7 doubts, and with those 7 doubts you will be getting all those skills to learn, build up your communication, build up your lot of skills are there. Please join us. Only thing, you need to ask us 7 doubts. Link is given in the description. Don't forget to use my referral code VANILIVE to get 10% discount. It's up to you, students. You can opt for if you wish to join for 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, you can utilize 1 month subscription, 3, 6, 12, 15, 18, like that. You have different combinations where you can join me and learn live sessions from me, students. These are the Unacademy iconic subscription features. Don't forget to use my referral code VANILIVE to get that 10% discount. Rates are given here. Go through it and join me live every day. These are the Unacademy subscription features where your 360-degree support system would be there. And if you're planning to join me, don't forget to use my referral code VANILIVE, students. You can download the app from the Google Play Store. And as you all know, as I've been mentioning, please use the referral code VANILIVE to get 10% discount. Download the app from Google Play Store, students. Remember to use my referral code VANILIVE. Conducting free sessions for grade 12 students. So all the topics, dates, day, everything is mentioned. All are free sessions for you all students. So join me live every day, whether it is in the special classes or on the YouTube sessions. Join me using my referral code. I'll be waiting for you all students. Don't forget to ask us 7 doubts. If you're asking us 7 doubts, you will be getting the Creative Corner subscription free, where you can develop 100 plus skills, students. So link is given in the description. Please go through the link, enroll today. Thank you so much.
30 questions I said. So all the 30 questions, this question is given to you 1 to 6 like this. I have picked up questions from your group 15. What are the important and the most expected question? And along with that, it's frequently asked, increasing and decreasing order of basic strength, why oxygen is a gas and sulfur is a solid, what is the formula of hyponitrous acid, like that. The questions are picked up from every corner of NCERT. So the question number 1 mentioned, what you do is take a notebook, note the question like this, and answer also I have given. I'll show it to you, students. So 1 to 6 questions are these. Next comes your seventh. Why does aluminium not react with concentrated nitric acid? It's an easy question, but if they ask you how to write it. One more question. Why does nitrogen or NO2 readily dimerize? Why does it dimerize? Why should it undergo dimerization? It can remain as a monomer only, no? That is why. You can also know how to write. Also, I'll tell you, students. I have picked up a question. Why does R3PO exist but R3N double bond O does not exist? Like that, there are many questions for you all, students. All these are 1 mark questions. You need to write the answer in only one line. So question number 1 to 20 are basically are all 1 mark questions. So note it in your notebook, and the answers also I have provided in this video. After that, students, next comes your 2 marks questions. So your 2 marks questions from question number 21 to question number 30. Very important. So like this, Vani ma'am will be doing a series, expected question series, little bit delay, but I'll always keep my promise. So from question number 21, they'll be asking you to draw the shapes of the molecules. They'll ask you arrange the following in the increasing and the decreasing order the bond dissociation energies. Acidic strength, they'll be asking you, okay, which has more boiling point, which has less boiling point. Like that, all the questions are listed here, students. Along with that, as I have told you, account for the following questions. Why is SF6 well known? SH6 is not known. Why is the proton affinity of ammonia more than phosphine? Like that, in very important questions, everything I have picked up. So like that, 30 questions I have given to you. Now, ma'am, answers for this, yes. So never I leave you alone, students. Remember, the answers also are there here. Okay, so here little bit, if I have to tell you, okay, let me take that once. This is little bit repeated here. So answers also are there for you all. Okay, so you can directly take the question. You can directly take the question. This is repeated here. Directly take the question, write the answer. Same thing you present it in the exam also, students. Easy like that, from question number 1 till your question number 17, till question number 22, then question number 26 and question number 30. All the questions answers are given here. One important thing is, suppose if you have any doubt. How many questions did I give? I have given you most expected 30 questions. Correct, my students? Most expected 30 questions of P block. Okay. Now, this journey will go on till your board exam, students. Nothing to worry, nothing to remind me also. Right? So, what you should do? Note the question like this. Note the answer like this. So, directly you can present the answer in the board exam. These are all 1-mark questions and these are 2-mark questions. Right, students? Now, what is the strategy should I remember? Simple. Every day try to give one reading. Okay? Try to do one reading for this particular 30 questions. Once 30 questions are over, you feel okay, you're able to understand everything. Now then, after reading, start writing. Okay, what you do? You take an empty paper. Okay, you take an empty paper. In that empty paper, what will you do? You'll just this one only initially. Once you first note all the questions and keep it ready. Don't write any answers. Take a Xerox with all the questions. Take it, students. All these questions Xerox you take. So till your board exam, whichever question, pick a question, write the answer. Pick a question, write the answer. Like that, all the questions will be covered. Earlier also I have sent organic questions. Now I'll be sending inorganic. Then I'll be sending physical, like that. Yes, students. So once again, I'm reminding, take a A4 size paper. In that, note all the questions. Okay, note all the questions. Once you note all the questions, students, simple, take Xerox. Okay, take at least 5 to 6 Xerox papers. Okay, only 5 to 6 Xerox papers you take and keep it. After that, once you study the question answer over, every day take a test by yourself. Self-testing is very important, students. When you test yourself, self-testing, what happens, you will not forget it. Your mind starts absorbing. So please try to finish this 30 days, 30 questions. Today is almost, we are almost on 25th, right? Again, I'll be sending some more on 27th also, students. So I'll be giving you exactly 2 days for you all. So in these 2 days, finish off all these 30 questions. So thank you so much for watching. Please note and any doubt, ask me in the comment section. Okay, ask me in comment section. What is important is please share the video. Okay, comment section, please share the video. Thank you, students. Goodbye. Take care. Meet you after 2 days. Thank you.